Welcome to Let's Talk, where I address one topical or current issue affecting Jamaica and place it under the microscope, offering my own analysis and evaluation. The topic for this episode is Digicel, Digicel, or did I? Anyways, let's start, shall we?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Can you imagine purchasing your own home in cash, then finding out that you have to pay to live in your house? Or you purchase a car, and each time you wish to drive it, you must pay someone in order to drive it. Well, that is the feeling I get when I think about the bigger, better network, Digicel. But I am left to wonder if the bigger means bigger prices and better means better way of oppressing Jamaicans. Don't get me wrong, I am actually a fan of Digicel as I enjoy some of the services that they offer, and I even think that their customer service is the better of the two telecommunications giants operating in the country. However, in the past, in the present, and I am sure in time to come, Digicel would have and will continue to make decisions that get me cross, angry, and miserable. But the Digicel policy that takes the cake for me is the one that dictates that even if I have credit on my phone and it was not used in a specified time frame, I must add credit to the credit I already have that was bought and paid for with my money in order to make a call. That is rubbish. Let me demonstrate this crime against humanity for you. Now, I will proceed to check my credit balance. It is saying that I currently have $592.33.
Your current balance is $592.33.
I will proceed to make a call with my $592 and some cents. I will try to use my personal phone, which is my Digicel phone, to call my channel phone, which is a Lime phone. Put it on speaker.
But you cannot make this call as your service has expired because of a lack of activity. Please add credit now to make this call.
And remember, I have $592 in my account. I will now have someone send me some credit to see where we go from there. I just received $15 credit, and for the purpose of transparency and clarity, I will prove it.
Your current balance is $607.33.
So let's try now to use my Digicel phone to make a call. Sure, phone rings, teach calling. Alright, good, everything alright, done. I am speaking for myself here when I tell you that this irks me, it irritates me, it annoys me, and really and truly it makes me angry. Knowing that there have been times that I have $2,000-$3,000 credit on my phone, and because I do not use the credit in the time that Digicel want me to use my credit that was paid for by my money, I will then have to go and add credit to my existing $3,000 credit to make a call. That is absurd and downright ridiculous. And yeah, I know there will be persons who will run in and say, teach, Digicel need to earn on this. Digicel is a rich company. Digicel should not be dictating to me how and when and where and how often I use the credit that I place on my phone. Digicel don't work my money. Digicel don't know how much money I have. So when I put credit on my phone, I use it how I want to use it. Now imagine a situation where there's an emergency and you have credit on your phone and you need to make a call that potentially will save a life. And you have to run to the nearest shop to find credit, to buy credit, to add credit to your credit already. That cannot make any sense. That might be the difference between life and death. Imagine you are in a place where there is no shop. You have no access to the internet and you need to make an emergency call. And don't tell me about police 119 or the ambulance now. I want to call somebody that is not related to the police force or the medical field. And I cannot make that call when I have thousands of dollars of credit on my phone. I will have to go wherever credit is available to purchase credit, to put credit on my phone, to make a call where credit is already on my phone. I cannot understand how the OUR, the Office of Utility Regulation, that has oversight responsibility for these telecoms company, could within good conscience grant that request to Digicel, which gives them the authority to freeze my account, and in order to free up my account, I must add credit to thousands of dollars of credit that exists on my account already. I do not know how many persons are comfortable with this, but I cannot be comfortable with this. Digicel cannot dictate to me when to use my credit or how to use my credit, as Digicel did not purchase my credit. And the reality is I hear no one talking about this, and I'm sure persons are being affected. If we sit down and we do not speak up about these things, then what will happen? It will become the norm. But then again, it doesn't even affect the politicians, as they have postpaid phones and taxpayers pay their phone bills. So it's not even a concern to them. They are not being affected. It's only poor Jamaican citizens who feel the brunt and the burden of this national financial oppression. But I am giving voice to this financial tyranny. I am giving my voice to this highway robbery. I am giving my voice to digital enslavement. And I am saying I am tired of DigiHell and their crap. I am sure somebody from the Office of Utility Regulation or the Ministry of Science and Technology will hear about this, and as such something needs to be done. This is a life and death situation. Yes, I know people are going to say, but teach. Lime does it too, but I have a Lime phone, and even if Lime does it, it takes months for Lime to do it. I promise you now, with $607 on my phone, within about 24 or 48 hours, I will try to make a call again, and Digicel will tell me that your service will expire soon. Please add credit to your account to continue making calls. When me have $600 for my phone, why me need to add credit to my $600 to make a call, and it's not $600 to make a call? Digicel should not have been granted this request, and this should be repealed forthwith. But hey, this is Jamaica to rot it. And a little man like me has no say or no power as it relates to making changes, especially when the government stand to earn from these companies. And the worst part of this is that this is just one of the many ways in which Digicel continue to oppress hardworking Jamaican citizens, and no one is willing to talk about it. I guess everyone has become comfortable in Digiland.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.